Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video will be a Halloween family costumes video, and this is another DIY video. So I'll show you our costumes since 2016. And first, we have Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. That was our costume in 2016. I used a red flat sheet, a wolf mask, a wolf claw, needle and thread, and a picnic basket. So for myself, I had on a little black dress that day, and I used the red sheet to act as a cape, and I pinned it together using needle and thread. My spouse, he just wore a regular brown sweater, and he put on the claws and the mask. I do want to add that I did shape the cape using scissors. I wish I had more pictures of that, but that was in 2016. That's all I have. Also, I was able to purchase a picnic basket from the Goodwill. I believe it was like $2. All right, guys. So moving forward to 2017, my family was Mario Brothers. Did I say it right? Mario Brothers. Our supplies included a Mario hat, Mario gloves, overalls, balloons, a cardboard box, and some paper. So my spouse was Mario, and my son was Luigi, and I was Princess Peach. And this was a very, very cold Halloween, so I had my son bundled up very good. And we used a lot of stuff that we had on hand already. My spouse already had overalls. He already had a red shirt. He had some thermals on. The box was a really big hit at this festival that we went to. For me, my Princess Peach outfit, I already had the pink dress, the wig, and I got my crown at the dollar store for like $1. But this was a really, really fun DIY costume that we did. Yeah, that box was like the life of the party at this festival. They had a lot of people who wanted to take pictures with him, and I really did enjoy it. So here's my baby, y'all. We even had what is his name? The little dinosaur. I believe the dinosaur name is Yoshi, but if I'm incorrect, please correct me in the comment section below. But yeah, guys, this was a very, very cold Halloween, and I wanted to keep my baby bundled up. But if you would like to do this family costume, I think this would be a great start. It was very inexpensive, probably no more than $30 for just a little bit of accessories that we did get to do this costume. All right, y'all. So in 2018, we were the Addams Family. Dun, dun. Okay, y'all. So we were the mother, the father, the son, cousin It, and the hand. And our supplies included yarn, shades, a hat, a pumpkin bucket, a rubber hand, and a fake spider. Again, y'all, we used stuff that we already had on hand. So my spouse already had a tuxedo outfit, you know, the white shirt, suspenders, and black pants. And I actually found this dress at the Goodwill for probably no more than $10. And I added some netted curtains on it to make it longer. We had yarn already on hand, and we used it to make Cousin It. We seen a post on Pinterest showing us how to make this using the pumpkin bucket, and it was very easy to do. I'll put the link in the description box below. Also, the hand we purchased off Amazon. It was probably the most expensive thing that we got for this family costume, but it was worth it. It completed the look and was another classic to add to the books. Okay, y'all, that was 2016, 2017, and 2018's DIY family Halloween costumes. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button. Also, comment on the video. And if you really, 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 really just like kicking it with me, press the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also, in the description box, you will find related videos to the topic, as well as any hyperlinks that were mentioned in the video. Again, y'all, thank you for watching and have a nice day.